Can you believe that it's already that time of year when we have to start sending out notices to parents saying, hey, your child so-and-so has already missed this many classes. Yep, well, that's it. And so I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. First, you want to go to Common Links for Staff. Click on Common Links for Staff, and you will see Excessive Absence Notice to Parents. If you click on that and open it up, you get the absence policy at the top. So 1 credit, 45-minute classes, that's your everyday classes. They can miss 20 in a year. 1 credit, 90-minute classes, that means your block classes. That's only 10 classes a year, etc. And so after about 70% of all allowed absences, the teachers will communicate to the students' parents. Now, I realize that we don't have anybody yet who's at a 20 classes missed. I hope not anyway. But there may be some that in the 1 credit 90-minute classes you're already at this point. If, however, you want to give them a bit of a notice because they're already going to miss half of the classes that they can at this point, it's only the end of the first quarter and they have 3 more quarters to go and there's no way they're probably going to make it, then it wouldn't hurt to send this up. Send this off. So at the bottom of the thing here is a sample that you can use. You can copy and paste this, and then you're going to put it in an email to the parents. And let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to use my son as an example. So in my class, I can go to communication. So you have to be in your student's class. That's how you're going to get to that information. Go to communication, go down to batch email, and then to email parents. And you can click on that, and then you can select the email addresses that you want to send this to. And then over here, you'll have to compose the email. And this is where you can copy and paste. You can either do the composition first and then choose the recipients, or see here, you can choose recipients after you do the composition. You can add some parents here. And just click on who you want, who else you want. So if you want Kurt and Vicky to get this email, you can do it that way. Put your content in here, just copy and paste that information from the other thing. It doesn't hurt to quote the absence policy as well, and then save it, and then you can go here to send and send it out. And when you hit submit, it will send out an email notice to the parents. And that's how you're going to be able to tell them that they are missing, that you have a student in your class that already has excessive absences in your class. If you want to take the composition that we were looking at, the excessive absence notice, and change it a little bit to say, you know, we really want you to understand how much they've missed, you can say that as well. But at least this is the beginnings of how you would send an excessive absences email to parents.